my name is Bianca Torrente, and I am playing Sophie in a new musical called The Further Shores of Knowing.
And I'm Amanda Layden, the clinic director at the Ark Wildlife Rehabilitation and Education Center. And this is Windsor, our red-tailed hawk.
We've joined forces because we need your support.
Our native wildlife, like Windsor here, is seriously threatened by development. Here in Bucks County, PA, we save thousands of animals each year. Birds, raccoons, foxes, turtles, even snakes, frogs, and toads.
And today, because of the high cost of staging a musical and decreased funding for the arts, original musicals are also threatened. So, we've decided to join hands and claws and paws too.
Your donation will contribute to both of our efforts, the animals we care for,
and the fabulous artists in a musical. Please contribute to our cause now. We want to sing.
And birds want to fly.
And we all need to eat.
We can all learn to live in harmony.
If we do things right.
Thank you from all of us at the Ark.
And the Further Shores of Knowing. Ark Wildlife Rehabilitation and Education Center and the Further Shores of Knowing. Joining hands, paws, and claws for a better world.